Now then, today in the box we've got the Althy SFH70 Shower Head and Water Filter. Now let's give it a try, but first be sure to check my full review below and to press like and subscribe. Now many thanks, and let's get on with it. Now let's look inside the box, and here's the shower head itself, which is made from transparent plastic but fills upmarket with really quite a classy feel to it. Now unscrew the cap to reveal the threaded outlet that connects to your shower water pipe. And it's the standard thread, so it should fit any standard outlet. You can get access to the head itself for cleaning purposes and to clean the filter, but we'll look at that in more detail later. Suffice it to say, it's easy access, simple, easy to use. And we unscrew the body to get access to the PP filter, which again we'll look at in more detail later. Also in the box are a set of 3 additional PP filters, front and back, enough to last at least 6 months of normal use. No replacement is included for the long-lasting CS filter, however. And we also get the user guide. Just pause and zoom in to read it. Now we'll look at the filters in more detail, and this is the PP filter, which removes general dirt and impurities from the water, and you'll see from the graphic on the top right when to change it. And the filter should last about 2 months. It just screws in place and then just discard the old one. It's a simple, easy process. In the head of the unit is the CS or calcium sulfate filter, which is designed to remove heavy metals and chlorine, and also the second part of the PP filter, which is easily swapped over for the old one. Now if you want to clean the handset itself, first you take the filters out. The PP filters are already removed. We do need to remove the CS filter, which is inside the head unit, and that will just pop out and can be set aside while we clean the unit itself. Now there's the micronozzle outlet, and that's grommet protected to make sure there's no leakage from the head. After cleaning, it all just reassembles and goes back together again. Now we'll look at the flow level, the water flow from my old shower head, which is good and powerful, and then we'll compare that to the Althy unit, and you'll see there's very little, if any, difference at all. Now this shower head from Althy, and there it is. It's designed to replace your current shower head. Just remove the one you have, and this one will screw directly in place, with no other connection required. The build quality is good. It's all made from transparent plastic, apart from the actual water outlet itself there. There are 2 lots of filtration. One is inside there, and the other is in the main body. And there is one filter pre-installed, and that just sits in there like that. And it should last several months, and it will change colour over time, telling you when to swap it over. So 1 filter is installed and 3 more are included in the kit. Now what the filter does, it removes nasties and horrible things from the water, including chlorine and heavy metals, and makes the whole showering experience, I think, much more enjoyable. And you get more peace of mind as well. So that really is it. This is a decent quality, well-made piece of kit that does one job and does a decent job of it. And I think for the price, well, it's a rather a good buy.